Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to uninstall Reshade from any game permanently. So you just have to search for Reshade download. Then here you will get this option, Reshade home. Then you want to go and click on OK and accept the cookies. Then you want to go and click on download. Then you want to go and click on download Reshare 6.7.1. Then here it will take just a couple of seconds. It is only 3.8 megabytes. It's so small folder or so small file. So you just have to download it. After you download it, of course, you'll have to open it in order to see all the installed games that you have on your PC. And if you cannot actually have the game just right here, you just have to click on browse. And after you click on browse, you'll have to locate the game from your folder. And now here, as you can see, I have Assetto Corsa, for example. You just have to click on it, then click on next. Then you'll have to select the rendering API Assetto Corsa launcher uses. And you want to go and click on uninstall reshade, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.